actually want to do a review on the Easy Cancer Prints add-on, which is their frames. Now, if you're new here, I actually did a video years ago about the company, like how to order from the websites, how to save some money, all that. Now, this video is not sponsored, but I did receive some free cancer prints from them to post on TikTok. So whenever you do have time, go ahead and check out the video. The link will be down below. Now let's get into the real stuff. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. So if you see me looking down, I'm just looking at my tablet so I can make sure that I have all the information and facts correct for you all. So down here, I'm on the website, and from the looks of it, they have 2, 4, 6, 8. They have 8 different frame selections that you can choose from, and different colors, different finishes, and also just different frames in general. So the frame that I did end up getting was classic white, and on the website the frames range from $44.
Hey y'all, this is Feature Kiera editing this video right now. So I made a mistake on my behalf. All the sizes on the website is different. So the prices from the framing add-ons range from $25 through $89. So because I got the biggest size, that goes for $84 through $89, not $44. So if I got a 24 by 36, that would have been $44 through $50. So because I have 30 by 40, it actually goes from $84 through $89.
It's $50, but the one going for classic white is ranging for $44. So with this color and with this frame and with the size that I did end up getting, was what 30 by 40. I put the price somewhere on the screen, but yeah, I got 30 by 40, and also I got the white frame, and I put it somewhere on the screen. So I got that size, and I also got an 18 by 24 and also a 16 by 20, I believe. 2 of the canvas prints are white, and one of them it is black. So now for TikTok, let's see if it also goes for the same price as well. Now, if you are ordering from the TikTok shop, they also have the same thing applies, just how it does on the website. 8 different frame selections that you can choose from, different finishes, different colors, all that. And you can also choose the different sizes that you want. So if you don't want 30 by 40 and you want something smaller, you can do that. So on here, everything came out to be $137 with the frame included, and also the size of the canvas prints. Now let's go ahead and do the semi unboxing on here with the YouTube. Okay, so when you do get your canvas print, it came in this huge behind box right here. It is framed nicely. It actually came pretty packaged nicely too, which I'm very impressed with. Now, here are the sides of it. And then here also is the back of it. Right here. So even ready to get it hung up on your wall, the hard part is already done for you. You can just hang it. And I will insert a clip somewhere on here so that y'all can see that I had no issue with hanging it at all on my walls or anything like that. But the one thing that I did notice now, I'm not for sure if you all can see this dent right here, but during shipping, it punctured a dent within this frame right here. This is some pretty thick wood right here. And to be quite honest, I'm very impressed by the quality of this as a whole. I have ordered from different print companies in the past, and the frame came automatically attached to it, and it was cheap and it was fragile. This is not like one of those at all. This is actually really worth the money, I can honestly say for a fact. It may not seem like it, but this is actually pretty heavy. Like, it has some weight on it, for real. So you have to be very, very careful with that. So my only complaint with the company, if they are watching this in general, I would like to input maybe adding some more coverage on the edges when shipping, because I noticed if you go back and you watch my video when I first did open it on TikTok, I noticed how cushion was just only at the top and at the bottom, and just more so like saran wrap on the edges. Now, it's not your fault that there's a punctured wound right here on the frame, right? It's not, it's shipping. So, but it's like, you know, it's better to be ready so that this doesn't happen again and you don't have any upset customers. Like for example, let's say that this was a gift for somebody, right? And when they get the gift, there's a freaking puncture wound on the frame. And the add-on is between $44 and $50. So you have to wait for them to send you a brand new one because they are very good with customer service and they do ship these out very, very quickly, I will admit. But it's like, you know, who wants to go through all that? So I would just say just do better with making sure that it's more cushioned and more secure so that this issue doesn't happen again with the bigger prints. So this is one of my older canvas print that I have on a website that's waiting to be sold. So on the back side of this, you will notice how there's no wire. There's just these teeth, like, I'm not for sure what's the correct term for this, but there's no wire to be hung on the back of this. It's just these teeth right here, right? So I want to say when you do order the frame canvas print, it will always be framed with the wire and never with this right here. So I've been buying from this company for years, and then even now, I bought this years ago and it still is in great condition. The color has not faded from it or anything. Like the edges are looking great. All that, like I said, this is actually one of my favorite companies to order from. And like, no bullshit, I don't trust nobody else unless you can change my mind. Easy Canvas Print is really one of my favorite companies in general for visual artists. Like, this is one of my favorite companies for real, y'all. Now you're probably thinking, well, damn, Kiera, I'm not an artist. I didn't want my regular pictures to be printed out. I got y'all. Hold on, I got y'all one. Give me a moment. Give me a moment. This is actually a picture I did for my 30th birthday party, right? My 30th birthday. And as you all can see right here, this is actually framed and bubble wrapped all the way around compared to the bigger one. So let's see how it actually looks with all this on here. Okay, this has got teeth on it too. Interesting. This came out really pretty. I look good. Ooh, okay. So here is the canvas print right here. I believe this one is 18 by 24. And as you all can see, this is actually a different type of frame compared to the bigger one. So this one actually has more space. Hold on, let me see if you all can see. It has space right here, like all the way around, and it didn't have it with the big one. And I actually stand corrected. So how I was mentioning the teeth with the other canvas print, this one actually has it. This actually has it right here. So I want to say because this one isn't as heavy compared to the bigger one, it had required for it to be wire, because this I don't think was going to hold it up with that 30 by 40 print at all. But if you are curious, like I want my actual photos to be printed out and the quality of it, there's no need to worry about it. Actually, like my very first photo that I've actually ordered from the company in general, and they did a pretty good job. So now let me get to my last one, which I think is my smallest one, going from 16 by 20. Open it this way so that you all don't see my address. You can see now with the smaller ones will all come bubble wrap. So there's no worries or anything about it being punctured, because ain't nothing happening with this unless something is gonna run the shit over or whatever, God forbid. But ain't nothing coming through this thing right on at all. So this is how it comes packaged, front and back. Now let's get into this puppy all the way through. Oh, oh, she looks, oh shit. Now hold on. Oh, this is about, oh shit, this is about to be fire. Hold on. Damn, this look good. My baby. Oh my gosh, this came out so good. Like the quality of this and everything, like I've never had any issues with the quality of it being pixelated or anything when it comes towards making copies of my artwork and putting it on canvas with this company at all. I'm just very much so impressed with this. And like how it was with the portrait of me, this also has gaps in it. Okay, and same thing, excuse me, same thing like how it is for you to hang it. Same thing. Like I keep saying, this is not anything cheap. Like, it's not fragile, it's not hollow, it's very thick wood. Like, this is wood. Oh my gosh, this is stunning. This is stunning. If you all haven't realized yet, my final thoughts for this is the frames, the add-ons is a hell yeah. A hell yeah. Like, this will save so much time when it comes towards getting prepared if you have your own art show, or if you want to sell your Kim's prints in general and you want to do an add-on. I'm pretty sure you can sell this quickly with the frames, because it looks much more better and more professional even within the galleries, or if you have your own art shop, you can do it that way too. But yeah, my only complaint will be for the bigger Kim's print, when they are framed like that, make sure that all of it is covered and protected and not just the top and bottom. I understand that there was saran wrap around it, everything in general, but that saran wrap still isn't doing much coverage at all compared to that styrofoam top and bottom. But overall, y'all, I would say that this is definitely worth the investment, and it's not even a lot. If you actually go to like the Michaels or like any other frame shop in general, framing is not cheap at all. If you all enjoyed my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any other suggestions of things that you all want me to review, please leave it down below. I hope you all have a great day or night watching the video, and I'll see you next time.